Welcome to 236 Hickory Point Drive in Lebanon, Tennessee. This property is currently listed for sale at the time of this video's release. For the latest property status, price, and etc., please see the featured listing link in the video description below or somewhere nearby. This newer home, built in 2016 by the reputable local builder Stuart Knowles Construction, resides in the friendly Hickory Knoll subdivision, sporting a very affordable price point matched with a desirable modern open floor plan, great kitchen, and entertainment-ready backyard. This home sets itself apart from the competition. If you're not familiar with the area, the Hickory Knoll subdivision is situated just off of Hickory Ridge Road, which is a very central location. You're about 10 minutes west of the historic Lebanon Square, about 25 minutes to the Nashville International Airport, and then about 35 minutes to the very heart of Nashville itself. Going back to a little more hyper-local, so all of your major necessities are within a 5 to 10 minute radius of the property. You're looking at your grocery stores, gyms, medical, parks, schools, local restaurants, all of those. Many of those are situated on West Main, several off South Hartman, and then Highway 109. Stepping inside, this home provides approximately 1,660 square feet of living space to enjoy. The entry foyer contains two large bonus storage closets, along with easy access to the remainder of the home. The large living room offers a gas fireplace, along with multiple access points to the back deck. As we leave the living room, there is no shortage in the dining area, plenty of space for a large table, along with chairs. Heading into the kitchen, there's also no shortage of space here. You'll find granite countertops, along with a very large island to be able to sit and entertain or prepare meals with. Just to the back of the kitchen, you'll see a little pantry and then also direct access to the two-car attached garage. And then just off the kitchen, you'll also find the utility closet with electric hookups for your washer and dryer. Now heading over to check out the large primary suite. You're greeted with a vaulted ceiling, large room, plenty of adequate space, overlooking the nice tree-lined backyard. Here you have a very large walk-in closet and attic access as well. In the primary bathroom, you've got dual vanities, tile floor, along with a large updated walk-in shower. And then to top that, you'll find a private commode, along with a little linen closet. Next, heading back to see the two additional bedrooms along with the full bathroom, you'll find that both bedrooms also have full walk-in closets along with ceiling fans. The secondary full bathroom single vanity with a full walk-in shower, and then also a unique touch of a ceiling fan. Heading out through one of the two back access doors, you find yourself within the covered and screened-in upper back deck. Nice little area to stay cool in summertime, entertain, hang out. And below this, you'll find a newly added concrete entertainment area as well, that of which we'll see at the end. Welcome to this very entertainment friendly and usable backyard. It's a very peaceful place in summertime when these trees are in full cover. Here you'll see a little campfire access area. There's also wet weather creek. As far as entertainment goes, you'll see below is the newly added concrete pad. It's a great place to enjoy spring, summer, fall. With that, this property tour has come to an end. Be sure to check out the featured listings link for the latest property status, price, and additional details. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or your buyer's agent. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. See you around.